Hello there kids, let's learn about plants and fruits today. To learn about plants and fruits, first let us learn about parts of a plant. Okay, so here you can see this is the picture given of a plant and let us learn about the parts. So this part here is called a flower. The green part here is called a leaf. Here the red part here you can see this is the fruit of the plant. This part here, okay, this much here is the stem of the plant and this part is always above the ground or soil, okay. Then moving on to the next part, the part below the soil or below the ground or under the ground, okay. So here this portion is the root. Now let us try and solve the crossword given here. This is the part where fruits are formed. Okay, so this part here, this yellow part, this is the flower, you can see. Now flower grows and becomes big and forms a fruit. So this part, this is the part where fruits are formed. So the correct answer will be flowers. Okay, Flower, flower. Number 2 is they make food for the plant. So now how we have a special room where we make food, that is our kitchen. So plant also have their kitchen. So what is the kitchen called? Leaf. Okay, the plant uses water and minerals and sunlight and prepares it food in the or makes the food in the leaf. So the answer will be leaves. Leaves, leaves. Number 3, new plants grow from these. Okay, so now all of you might have seen if you put a small seed, okay, small seed below in the soil, what happens? It grows and becomes a new plant, a new small plant you will see. So new plants come out from the seed. So answer will be seeds, seeds. Number 4, it gives support to the plant and carries water to the leaf. Now see here this portion, okay, this portion here, the stem. Stem, what does it do? It helps, it gives support and helps the plant to stand straight. If stem is weak, what will happen? The plant will fall down. So the stem helps the plant to stand straight. It gives support to the plant and it also carries water to the leaves from the roots. It takes it from the roots and give it to the leaves. Moving on to the next part, question number 5. They absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay, so now here in the soil there is water, okay, and many minerals are there in the soil. But how does that plant take it from the soil? So this root here, okay, root here helps take in or absorb all the water and minerals from the soil and it gives it to the stem, and from the stem it goes to the leaves so that the plant can make its food. Now next is question number 6. They cover and protect the seeds. Okay, now all of you might have eaten a mango, no? So a mango fruit, what happens? A mango fruit, you will always see there is one seed inside it. Okay, so you can see here that these cover and protect the seed. So here a fruit is there. Fruit always covers and protects the seed. Inside this red is the seed. Okay, so the correct answer here will be number 6, fruits. Fruits, fruits. Now plants store food in the flower, leaf, fruit, stem as well as roots and the seeds. Okay, so these parts of the plant are used by us or eaten by us as food. Okay children, now let us solve question number B. What is the question? We eat different parts of plants. Okay, so what part of the plant are these? Root, leaf, stem, seed, fruit or flower. Now look at the first picture. First picture is of a cabbage. Okay, this is the vegetable we eat And what do we eat? These are the leaves of the cabbage plant. Okay, so we eat the leaf here. Next is picture of a cauliflower. So in the name only you can see, that it is written cauliflower, and you can see these are the florets, or you can say the flowers of cauliflower plant. So we eat the flowers of cauliflower. Then brinjal. Okay, brinjal is a fruit. We eat it as vegetable, but this part is the fruit part. Next is the image of a ginger. Okay, ginger, now don't get confused here. Ginger is actually an underground stem. It is a stem which grows under the ground. So we eat the stem portion of a ginger. Moving on to the next image, this is a corn. Okay, corn is, again we eat these yellow portion we eat, this one. So these are many seeds of the corn which we eat. Next is a tomato. Now tomato, again we eat the fruit of the plant. Spinach, all of you have eaten spinach as vegetable. So spinach is also again the leaf part of the plant. Then this picture is of a carrot. Okay, carrots are there. So carrots are which part? They are the roots of a plant, and plant stores its food in these roots, and we also eat it. Okay. Okay children, now let us name the following fruits. Okay, you can see in the picture. Let us just name, recognize and name the fruit. So first image here is of a custard apple. Okay, this fruit is called custard apple. Custard, custard apple. Apple, apple. Number 2 image is of the fruit called lychee. Litchi, lychee. Number 3 is a pineapple. Pine, pine apple. Apple, apple. Number 4 is a jackfruit. Jack, jack, fruit, fruit, jackfruit. Now what is the next fruit? Fruit number 5 is kiwi. Okay, kiwi, kiwi. Number 6 is a watermelon. We eat this fruit during summers. So what is the spelling? Water, 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 and melon, melon, melon. Now see here below is a very interesting picture of a butterfly, and this butterfly is very special. Why? Because it is made up of fruits. You can see different fruits are used to make this butterfly image. Okay, so let us recognize or identify which fruits are used. So now number 1 here I can see is a strawberry. Okay, here the pink one is the strawberry, you can see here. Then number 2 which I can see is pomegranate. Okay, these small seeds, small fruits you can see here. This is the pomegranate. Then next here we can see in this fruit salad is a banana. Okay, this is a banana. We just cut in small pieces, so the shape is looking different, but it's a banana. Then you can see here the orange fruit here is the orange, this one. Okay, this is curved like this. This is an orange. Okay, then we have these grapes which are black in color. Okay, so these are the black grapes, and these green ones here are the green grapes. So with this we have finished one topic. I hope you could understand it.